I can't get over you. Let mark on me. I need your
Make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water. Wanna leave, could keep my cool, but tonight I'm whining. I'ma be in a dangerous mood, can you match my timing? Telling me that you're really floating what you're hiding. Talk is cheap, to show me that you understand I like it. Can you blow my mind?
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back to the vibes. Today is a fall vlog. October vlog. I had to run a lot of errands this morning. Had to get my tires changed and don't piss me off. I had to get my tires changed. We went to breakfast and we went to the market and now I'm cooking, but I want to do an unboxing. I just got my package and I hope I can fit them. I got some new Uggs, the newest Uggs. I think they're called, let me see what they're called, the Classic Dipper. And I got them in a size 6, which is my regular size. I ordered these from the actual Ugg website because I felt like they were going to be sold out They're so cute. Oh my god. I gotta get them sprayed. Look how cute they are.
Classic dippers right there.
OMG. I thought this was going to be like... Oh yes, these are so cute. Ooh. Oh. Let me try them on. Okay, so I got them on. They were kind of hard to get on, I guess, because the zipper. But they're so cute. They look weird from that angle. 1 second. Fire. They're so cute. Hey guys, it's currently Thursday. It's a lot of days later. It might even be a week later. I'm sitting outside of Sprouts. I just got a sandwich. I have to go back to work, but I haven't talked to you guys in a couple days, couple weeks. I think the last time y'all saw me, I had to get my new tires. I got 2 new tires because my front ones were bald. But yeah, I'm going out this weekend with my cousin for his birthday. No idea what I'm wearing. Y'all ever get a sandwich and be tired of eating the bread. That's why I don't be getting hoagies no more. Okay. So I'm back, guys. I'm eating. What was I telling y'all? Oh yeah, my cousin birthday is, we're going out for his birthday this weekend, and what in the world? We're going out for his birthday this weekend, and I have not been out in like so long. If you guys didn't know, I stopped drinking, so this is going to be interesting. I want to see if I could still have a good time without drinking. I might drink, I might not, like, I don't know, but I had to put a stop to drinking for no reason, like not celebrating anything. And it's just like, why does our generation, or even generations before, since liquor has been a thing, why is it that people always feel the need to have a drink? Like, I don't know. Like, I felt like it was like, oh, I'm going to a cute restaurant, I'm getting a drink. Oh, my friends are coming over, I'm making drinks. Oh, I had a long day at work, I'm making a drink. Let me make a drink. And granted, my situation could be worse. I could feel like I want to drink every single day. Thank God that that's not my case. But I also feel like felt like I was drinking and I wasn't getting drunk. So that just told me, like, you need to scale back some, because there's no way that your alcohol tolerance is that high. Like, guys, I would be taking shots and I wouldn't be getting drunk. I went to my girlfriend's birthday party, well, birthday weekend, when I went to the Poconos is when I noticed it. So we'll see. We'll see if I can stick to it while I'm out. I can't get my nails done. Y'all, look at my nails. Literally tore up from the gel. So I'm gonna try to do some press-ons.
I just woke up in the morning, had that ball on me. But the fuck with a mommy, tell her call on me. Silly wicked niggas talking, bed and breakfast, sloppy toppy. If it ain't about my dollars, let it go, homie. You can catch me shipping, still in traffic, feeling good, bitch. Fucking love, I'm coolin' with my niggas, and we do shit. If I get the club and try your box, I double two things. Double up the price and pour some liquor, keep it moving. Need my friend and partners up, we yelling champions. In them lazy with my family, no one checks me. She a rider when I need her, like my techie, so you read her, play your part, or no one see her, so you best talking like.
Hey y'all, I'm so embarrassed to get on here because I literally have not talked to you guys in so long. But today's the party and I'm getting ready and I want y'all to see the festivities. So right now I'm just doing my makeup, I'm setting my concealer, and I'm gonna do a TikTok, so I'm gonna turn y'all on when I do my TikTok.
sauce. Betty le kepe ka ip bona e bolela pilot ke ma ditsete ba fetula sweet re thabelo ke tla tswenya mesa ka le jara to manga lo di manana te di ka ke ra top to ke reketse ke mama hetla ka bui o panolo he bless with the tears fell on you get the name deep in the mix bar no got on my head you lose deep no abo botse ka led like a lenye me job call le botlef